If you guys are wondering why my tongue is orange, it's because I'm having some Oros on the rocks. I don't understand why I'm drinking my beer because the last time I had a glass of juice in here, I literally knocked it over while I was filming, and that's how my ring light broke. Yeah, but anyway, let's get into the tutorial. I'm just gonna put this back here. I didn't even greet y'all properly. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and thank you for joining my beautiful family. If you are a regular a day one, welcome back and thank you for returning. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a fun makeup challenge. Yay! I feel like everyone's pretty much bored of makeup tutorials because like they don't do so well anymore. The views are not too great, and I mean, it is quarantine, we still need to put out content. So I'm just finding new ways to like entertain you guys. This is not a new challenge, by the way. It's been done before. I've seen it on quite a few beauty YouTubers challenges. Apparently the girl who started it initially posted on Instagram. I don't know what her name is, but shout out to her. So the palette I'm going to be using today for this challenge is the Epic Sunset palette from Essence, and the challenge I'm going to be doing is numbers pick my eyeshadow look. So this palette has 16 shades. Some may argue that this is a contour and this is a highlighting shade. I think they all eyeshadow because it says eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I could be wrong, but it's a pretty beautiful palette and it's super affordable. Obviously it's Essence. I got this quite a while ago, but I haven't filmed anything with it, so I thought this would be the perfect time. So I've already prepped my numbers. They're all in here, and I'm just gonna go fishing and pick. So I'm gonna pick 3 numbers, and then that's what I'm gonna base the eyeshadow look I go for on, for those who don't know how this challenge works. So I got 16, which is the very dark brown. Thanks God. I got 15. Oh my gosh, what the hell? And 11. What is 11? So I got these 3 shades. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, let's get into the challenge. So I'm first gonna start off by putting some eyeshadow base on my lids, and this is the P.Louise Base, and it is in the shade number 05. So I didn't do my face first, I just did my brows off camera because I don't know how the eyeshadow fallout is. I really don't want to be stuck in a situation where now I have to redo, you know, my under eyes because there was just a ridiculous amount of eyeshadow fallout. And if you guys are wondering where this hair is from, it is from Essence Hair on Instagram. I am going to leave a link down below to their Instagram page. This is my first time. I'm lying. I'm lying. I was about to say this is my first time doing this hair color. It is actually not. I used to have a bob that was this hair color. I can't even have a transition color. Hey, oh my gosh, this is gonna test my blending skills like there is no tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by going in with Darkness of Night, which is number 16. Let me just show you guys. Already I can see that there's quite a bit of eyeshadow fallout, which is not a problem. Thanks God we didn't start with. Ooh guys, you know what, white king. What I love about this Essence eyeshadow palette, guys, is that it actually also has a mirror in the actual palette. Those kind of palettes are the palettes that you actually even want to travel with, so that you can do your makeup anywhere in your hotel room, because usually hotel room bathrooms don't have the best lighting. So as you guys can see, I'm just really like packing this on the outsides of my lid. We are gonna see how this is gonna work out, y'all. You know what, we're just gonna have to see. If you guys are wondering which eyeshadow brush I'm using, this is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. And then I'm gonna grab a clean blending brush. This is like a really old, as you guys can see, brush, but it's really good at its job, so that's why I still have it. And I'm just gonna use this just to blend out the outside of my eyeshadow. I can't believe I am creating an eyeshadow look without a crease color. This is insane. Surely this is not legal. Somebody bail the police. This is pretty. I think the pigment on this eyeshadow palette is pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into Lightness of Day, which is the lightest shade, this one over here. And I want to use this on the beginning of my lid because ooh, this pigment is really coming through. Oh, this is looking good. Okay, you know what? Maybe this is like the Jerseylicious eyeshadows. Like, ooh, I think I didn't want to do like a typical cut crease. I just want to do something that's easy to blend and easy to work with because it is my first time doing this challenge. So, you know, I'm trying to play it safe. You know what I'm saying? I'm really trying to play it safe. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But I'm gonna create something pretty wearable that hopefully someone can like also recreate. This is quite interesting. So I'm just gonna go back in with this dark color one more time and focus this on the outer corners like so. I hope you guys can see. Sorry, my palette was in the way there. So I'm going in with this dark color again and just focusing it on the outer corners. I really am impressed with the pigment of these eyeshadows. Essence is really the girl. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna go and do the rest of my face and then I'm gonna come back and finish my eyes on camera because I want to start working on my lower lash line just so I can sort of get a vision of how I'm going to finish my the rest of my lids. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, my loves, I'm back and I just did the rest of my face, my normal highlight, contour, blush, baking, primer, snatching, rearranging, repositioning my, I'm joking. So I did the rest of my face off camera as I told you guys I was going to, and now I'm back so I can finish my eyeshadow. And let me tell you guys something.
A few moments later.
I feel like I really enjoy this eyeshadow look. Like, it reminds me of how simple eyeshadow can be sometimes. Like, we don't always have to be doing cut creases. Do you get what I mean? Just really reminds me of the beauty of being able to do like simple makeup. Okay, so I think I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line with Pink Skies, which is the very bright pink, number 11, because I know this look just needs that. Guys, I'm so bad at doing my lower lash line and making sure that you guys can see it as well, because let me rather do this, but then the light, I'm blocking out the light now. Okay, this is tough. So I'm gonna take a smaller, denser brush because I really want to focus on this lash line properly and get in there. Guys, these eyeshadows are beautiful. Like, shout out to Essence, girl. You guys really did that. Sorry guys, I've got so much eyeshadow in my eyes right now. So I did blend a little bit of the pink just on the outside there, just to create more of a wing effect. So I don't know if I want to do liner or not. I'm just gonna stick on my lashes and see how I feel. And I'm using my Lash Me Baby lashes by Tandigama, and these are in the make OMG. I'm just gonna put some mascara on my natural lashes before sticking on my falsies. So I made a bit of a whoopsie with my lash glue. So I'm just going to put on a very thin, and I hope it stays thin line of liner just to clean that up. So now we're done with our lashes and liner. Just to eliminate any harsh lines created by the liner, I'm going to go back into my dark eyeshadow, which is this one over here. And I'm just going to focus this just to blend on. Now to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow highlighter. To highlight my inner corners, I'm going to be using the OFRA NikkieTutorials collab highlighting palette, and it is in, I'm going to use this shade over here. The shade of this palette is Everglow. Can you guys see what I wanted by that silvery highlight? Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this highlighter. It really pops on your inner corners. It does everything you need it to do, and so much more. Next up, I'm going to go in with my BadGal Bang mascara by Benefit, and I'm just going to use this to volumize my lower lash line. And I'm going to layer my mascara with the L'Oreal Paradise Extatic one. Okay guys, after ages of swatching, because I was trying to find the perfect pink. I wanted something that was going to be very like cerise, and this was my perfect match. And this is the Unlocked Stunner Paint from Fenty Beauty. I don't know if I should go for this very deep pink here from Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Heartbreaker, or the Uncensored, but this is what they look like next to each other. This is more of a reddish pink, and this is like a cerise pink. So I really don't know. What do I want? What will look better with my hair also? I mean, I'm not wearing black hair, so I can't just do anything. Okay, I'm gonna put on this pink, the Fenty Beauty one. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna keep it because I really want like the eyes and the lips to complement each other, you know? So I think what better way to do that than to have a pink on my lips as well. Because I'm feeling adventurous, I'm going to pop on some of my Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish, and this is in the shade Fearless Who. It is a hot pink glossy lip. I just want to add a little bit of zhuzh, you know. I don't think I've ever done a lip color this bright on my channel before. I'm sure you guys are probably like, who is this girl? We don't know her. Okay. Oh, that is so bright. Just get off any extra lipstick. I'm going in with the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. So this is the final look, my loves, and if I must say so myself, I am feeling pretty gassed right now. This eyeshadow really came out better than I expected, and this is like such a classic eye, you know, the whole black and the white. Smoky eyes were really like this back in the day, and this was probably like the first example of what a smoky eye is. It's so 1920s. And then the pop of pink really just brings through my personality when it comes to makeup. I really enjoy experimenting and playing around with color, so this is so beautiful. This is so me. I am so proud of myself, if I'm gonna say so myself, okay? Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys are interested in getting the palette, the Essence Epic Sunset palette, you guys can pick this up from your Discam or your Clicks. I really do recommend this palette. Obviously, from a price point perspective, Essence is always the girl that she thinks she is. I will leave the details down below because I actually don't remember how much it was off by heart. And in terms of quality, pigment is there. Fallout is honestly not too bad, but there definitely is some eyeshadow fallout, but overall I'm pretty much impressed. And in terms of packaging, I would say that I love the fact that it has a mirror. I've never had an issue with the quality of packaging Essence has for a brand of its price point. Very beautiful and vibrant as usual. So yeah guys, I will leave links down below, and the rest of the product details, everything else that I used will be down below as well. I am giving away something today. It's been a minute since I did a giveaway on my channel. Unfortunately, I can't give away product or anything of that sort because obviously we are currently in a pandemic. It's a pandemic. There we are currently in lockdown, and I can't courier out stuff to you guys. So I am giving away data bundles, same cat, different firm. Okay, so if you want to stand the chance to win this data, then leave a comment down below. Any comment really, like it's not going to be anything specific. It's going to be random selection, just something to you know, say I love you guys and thank you very much for the support. I'm giving away 5 gigs, so whoever wins the competition, I will obviously send it to you via my banking app. So yeah, please do enter the competition. Leave a comment down below, any comment at all, and that means that you automatically qualify for the competition. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's very, very important. You need to be subscribed in order to stand a chance to win. So yeah, I think that's basically it. I'll see you guys next time. My love, stay blessed and beautiful, and thanks once again for tuning in.